Hey guys, if your headphones are broken like in my case, then in this video I'm gonna show you how to repair that. To do that, I'm gonna use a drill, some tape, nails, scissor, and a piece of metal which I collected from an ice cream box. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna patch with this metal sheet on top of the broken side. So I'm gonna take out the broken part and I'm going to mark the piece of metal I need. I will cut it up. I will just visually test it and it looks okay. Now I'm going to mark for the second one. It has to be quite similar. Next I'm going to drill some holes inside the headphones. Good. The easiest way to match the holes is to fix first the metals on one part and then place it on the headset. So I'm going to drill the first hole like this, then estimate the hole for the second metal sheet, and they will look like this. Now I just have to bend these nails. Next I will mark the holes for the other side of the broken part. You can see over here the nail is making a pretty good marking on the metal. The hole is matching and the broken part is sitting on the original position. And now the moment of truth. Let's see if these holes will match. And they look alright. Before finally bending all the nails, I'm going to place the speaker in its position. So after I bend the nails, I'm gonna use this elastic rubber and place it over the broken area, just like that, to increase the stability. Next I'm going to tape it. Now for the last step, I'm going to cover with this black tape, mostly for looks. Cool. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.